wow, not good. According to The Verge, Facebook contract workers are looking at your private post to train artificial intelligence. So this report from Reuters basically saying that Facebook has got an Indian outsourcing firm called Wipro, which has up to 260 workers who annotate posts according to 5 categories. These include the content of the post, if it's a selfie or a picture of food, the occasion, and the author's intent. Are they making a joke, trying to inspire others, or organizing a party? And again, these are private posts. Why is Facebook allowing other people to review private posts when you share that with your wife, sister, friend, whatever? You know, when you do a post, you can go to an individual, right? Facebook says there's 200 such content labeling projects worldwide, but just seems funny that they are reviewing private posts. And this could be infringing on European Union's GDPR regulation.